welcome back to another video, and today I am cooking some vegetarian or vegan meal. Okay, so come along with me and let's cook up this meal. All right, so right at this moment, guys, I'm threading the cabbage. All right, so I'm using half of a cabbage, all right, and I cut up my cabbage, nicely cut up the cabbage. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm going to cut up all the vegetables. I'll cut up all the vegetables in it. Yeah, so yes man, we're just gonna cut up the cabbage, guys. All right, so make sure that you wash the cabbage first, and then you cut the cabbage. And remember now, do not throw away any bit of the cabbage, especially except the little bottom bit. But you see that nice heart of the cabbage? It is so nice. So do not throw that away. Make sure that you are using the heart of the cabbage. It is chunky, guys, and it's like meat. I'm telling you. You thank me later. All right, so yes, so then the menu for today, I'll be cooking cabbage with pumpkin, okra, carrot, sweet pepper, garlic, onion, spring onion, and a little bit of curry, black pepper, salt, and my garlic, pimento, and cinnamon seasoning. And I'll put a bit of butter in and a tiny bit of oil in and water. All right, so yes, so you'll see if you keep watching. Right now I'm cutting up the pumpkin, guys. So yes, I'm now doing the pumpkin. So make sure you wash and peel your pumpkin and cut up the pumpkin. Anyway, guys, I want to say, if you're here watching this video, have you hit the subscribe button? My name is E, and I'm your host for E&J Lifestyle Farm, where we feature lifestyle in England and also lifestyle in Jamaica, okay? Featuring Erica and Junior, okay? So, guys, please, if you're not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, because at E&J Lifestyle Farm, we do the work, only watch the video, and all you guys gotta do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, guys. Right now I'm scraping off the carrot. So I'm using 2 carrots. So make sure, guys, that you wash your carrots. Okay. Yeah. So using the 2 carrots. Cut off the green bit there. I'm not using that bit, but I think you can use, guys, you can put it in there as well, because if rabbits eat it, then you can. Yes. So what you do with the carrot, you cut it into different style, round, long, short, but yeah, cut it into different style, okay, so that you can get a long piece, a short piece, yeah, when it's cooked. So yeah, so that's it, guys. Yeah, so now the carrots finish, guys. That's my okra. You wash your okra, you cut the top and tail, the okra, and you're gonna cut it up into some small chunks. Okay, yeah. Okra is very nice when you mix it with steamed fish, anything steamed, guys. okra is the boss. Okay, yeah. So what you need to do, you need to cut up your okra, baby. Cut up the okra. Okay. So you don't need a lot of okra because you know that okra slimy. So if you use too much okra, you're gonna have a lot of slime, in it. So maybe use 5 or 6 okras, okay? Yeah, nice, isn't it? Nice. All right, so now I'm going to do the spring onion. So again, you wash your spring onion, clean it up, and then cut it up. Yes, guys. So anyway, guys, back to the channel. So I would love for you guys to leave a little comment on this video. If this video resonates with you, comment, guys. Comment, like it, share it with your friends, and ask your friends to subscribe to E&J Lifestyle Farm. Tell them that we do the work. Only watch the video. Okay? And I'm E, your host for today's video, where I'm cooking up a storm in the kitchen. Yes, yeah, I'm cutting up now. I'm cutting up the spring onions. Yes, people. Girl, I'm chefing it up. Now we're using tomato and sweet pepper, which they call bell pepper, but we call it sweet pepper. The red one I'm using, because I don't think there's any green pepper in the fridge. Guys, you can use half of it. Cut it up fine. So guys, you're gonna have to peel your onion, wash and peel your onion, and then you're gonna chop up your onions. Chop up the onions. And now guys, we're using some garlic. Okay, so use as much garlic as you can. I love to use a lot of garlic, guys. It's very good for you. So use up the garlic as much as you can. So you cut up your garlic as fine as you can. Chop it up, guys. Watch that. Watch it. Oh, wow. So, guys, now I'm going to put the pot on because I'm going to be cooking dumplings and potato. So, first I have to put the water on to boil so that I can put my dumpling and the potato in this pot right here, okay? Making dumpling, guys, with spelt flour and cornmeal. And a little bit of salt. Yes. So as you can see, that is it. Making the dumpling, guys. Making the dumpling. So just need some water in the pot, okay? Yes, guys, so gonna be doing that. And now, guys, I'm gonna peel my potatoes. So, let's peel the potato. Peel the potato with me, guys. Yeah. The potatoes are very big, guys, so I'm gonna use 4 potatoes because I'm only cooking for 2 people and it's gonna serve us for 2 days. So, yeah, today and tomorrow. Yeah. Yes, guys, so you have to peel your potatoes. And I like to buy the organic potato, but I've got the red potato this time instead of the white ones, you know. I'm gonna chop up our potato now to put in the pot. But I wash my potatoes, guys. Wash them. Let's cut them. That one not too bad, so I cut it in 2, but this one is very big, so I cut that in 3 pieces. I cut it in 3 pieces. Yeah, man, so that is what's going on inside of the pot, guys. We have dumpling and potato in there, so I'm gonna leave that to cook. Guys, guess what? I feel like I'm gonna have to change this the pots on the stove, so I'm gonna put this pot at the back because I'm gonna be working on the vegetable that was cutting up earlier. So now I'm putting on the pot now, and I'm gonna put some oil in the pot, and then I'm gonna be doing the vegetable. Okay, so put the vegetable in, guys. Because this is a lot, I'm gonna do it in 2 sections. I'm gonna put the pumpkin and all them harder things, carrot first, and let them sort of, you know, and then I can add the rest on the top. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do. So what I want to do is add on a little black pepper, butter, a little bit of curry there, and a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, and yeah, what is that? And now I'm gonna stir it up right here now. So I'll give it some stir first, guys, so that it can shrink, so that I can put the rest of the cabbage on top, because this is what we don't want. We don't want half cooked or half being cooked. So we still have to try and get the remaining of the cabbage in, okay? But this way, even if some of the cabbage cook out a little bit, the last bit of the cabbage will be crunchy, guys, because it's added last. Yeah, so that's really the trick about it. So yes, guys, so we stir it up, we stir it up, we stir it up. Yeah. Hey guys, are you still here watching the video? Have you hit the like button? Have you hit the thumbs up? Have you even commented? And are you even a subscriber of ENJ Lifestyle Farm? If you are not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? So now, guys, I'm adding the remainder of the cabbage on top. Okay, I've got a little bit of butter there, Then I'm going to cover it up and let it steam down and do its thing. Let's see. So that is how I do it. Yeah. So if you want to do this at home, guys, it's very nice. It's vegetable, guys. You cannot go wrong with your veggies. So now I'm going to be covering my pot and let it steam down for a little bit. Alright, so then we're going to return. We're going to be checking it out. So now, guys, look. Oh my God. It looks, because guys, guess what? This meal is autumn meal, okay? So that's why I have to put the little autumn color on here. So if you're looking for any autumn recipe, this is an ideal autumn recipe for you, okay? So you can follow this recipe and you'll get a very cozy autumn dinner. Okay, a very cozy autumn meal. So it's coming on very, very nice, and it is very colorful. Very beautiful, colorful, and nice. But you have to stir it, guys. You have to give it a little stir, so that you can mix everything together. All the juice and the carrot and the pumpkin and the okra and the cabbage and all the season can be stirred in together, and then you're gonna leave it and give it a couple more minutes, guys. It's ready now. It's nearly ready. But it can still take a little 2-3 minutes more to finish. Why am I still stirring it? I think I'm just enjoying looking at the beautiful autumn color right here popping through. Yes, guys, look at the autumn color popping through. It is absolutely a fantastic autumn meal, right? So if you want to have your nice colorful autumn meal, I suggest you try this recipe right now. It's cabbage, pumpkin, carrots, and okra, and you're gonna blending it in with your tomato, your onion, your spring onion, your bell pepper, which you call sweet pepper, your garlic, and you're gonna put a little bit of black pepper, a little salt, a little, yeah, guys. So, and a bit of butter and a little bit of oil, and yeah. So guys, what happened? I need a little bit of water in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm getting some of the nice soup in that dumpling and the potato cooking over there, and that will give it just this new whopping melody, because the soup takes the strength from the potato and the dumpling and popping it in here. So yes, guys. So in a few minutes we will be plating this meal, guys. Yes, sir. Right, turn the stove down low. Turn it down low. And guys, now, voila. I'm gonna be sharing out some dinner now, guys. I'll be plating up a bit of the dinner so that you guys can actually see what's going on. Dumpling, guys. And potato. I think I'm gonna have 2 dumplings. Yeah, I'm gonna have 2 dumplings and potatoes. And yes, guys, I'm gonna have 2 dumplings. That's another dumpling, guys. Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait to dive into this meal right now. Mm, it's beautiful. That is autumn in your face. That is autumn in your face, guys. See that? You. What a beautiful meal. It is awesome, guys. It's a beautiful. It's so nice. It is nice. Mm, yeah. Yeah, man. Mm-hmm. Wow, this is a beautiful autumn meal, guys. So go try that home. And please remember, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's E&J Lifestyle Farm. We do the work, only watch the video. All you guys gotta do is like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for making it E&J Lifestyle Farm. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.